नित्यानन्दं परमसुखदं केवलं ज्ञानमूर्तिं द्वन्द्वातीतं गगनसदृशं तत्त्वमस्यादिलक्ष्यम् एकं नित्यं विमलमचलं सर्वदी साक्षिभूतं भावातीतं त्रिगुणरहितं सद्गुरुं तं नमामि. Nityanandam, I welcome all of you who are here watching this live broadcast of Akashic readings and the manifestation of various Shaktis that is happening here through the bodies of the Balasans of Nityananda Gurukul. I welcome all of you with my love and respects. My name is Lopamudra. I am also a Balasant of Nityananda Gurukul. Today I will be sharing with all of you about various different dimensions of ourselves. And I'll be answering live. I'll be taking live questions. You can put your questions in the comments, and I'll be answering all of them live today. So you can put any question that you're having over the powers, different shaktis, or about akashic readings, about your past, any questions that you're having regarding spirituality, anything like that, you can ask me. You can post in the comments, and I'll be answering it to you live. So before starting this, I just want to share a few words about Swamiji. Paramahamsa Nityananda. He is my guru, and he was actually he's an avatar Purush. He is a living incarnation who lives and radiates that space of Sadashiva. He was born in the village of Tiruvannamalai as a small boy. He was such an active boy who was expressing so many powers, different powers, and having so many spiritual experiences and sharing those spiritual experiences with so many people. And today, all the kids here are blessed to be in his breathing space. We are all in Bengaluru Adinam, which is situated closer to Bangalore in Bidadi. All of us are blessed to be in his breathing space, to get groomed in his breathing space, and to start expressing and manifesting so many different powers. Now, by living in his breathing space, it's really like how when you're keeping matchstick closer to a fire, or why matchstick, some dry leaf closer to fire, how can that can just burn? Same way, when you're continuously in the space of Swamiji, in the space of in his breathing space, then automatically we see so many powers starts manifesting through all of us. Swamiji manifests every single power that you can imagine and you cannot imagine. And right now, the Balasans of Nityananda Gurukul, that is the kids who are here in Nityananda Gurukul, are also manifesting so many different powers, starting from the power of third eye, communicating with nature, closing the eyes and seeing, and seeing long distances, seeing remote visions, scanning bodies, seeing past, present, and future. So all these are the different possibilities and the powers that the kids here are expressing. Not just the kids here in Gurukul, also the kids who come from so many different parts of the world come here, get initiated by Swamiji, when they are also experiencing and expressing all these powers. So all these different happenings are continuously happening here in Bengaluru Adinam. So many kids start expressing different powers. Now the Murti that you're able to see behind me, actually I'm sitting on the stage exactly where the Akashic readings are getting revealed now. Cosmic archives. Akashic readings are nothing but cosmic archives. Everything that is happening is getting recorded, and all that which is happening and which is getting recorded can be accessed. And that is what the kids here are doing right now. You can see behind me how so many people are continuously coming, and the kids are continuously revealing the Akashic records. So all these different powers that all these kids whom we are seeing in Nityananda Gurukul are expressing all these different powers. So because of expressing all these different powers, the experience that they go through and what they having as different ideas about themselves, everything starts changing. So today I'm going to share a few things about what happens to you when you start manifesting all these different powers. What is that you will go through when you are having your Akashic readings revealed? Because everything that is happening is getting recorded in Akashic readings. So when that Akashic readings are being revealed to you, what is the experience that you go through? So I'm going to be sharing about all these different things today. So let me start off with powers. Understand, Lord Shiva in the Agamas. Agamas are like, I cannot tell books, but they're like scriptures where the Lord Shiva has described detailedly about a lifestyle. Now, each and everything, like all different things. Yes, you can now we have Sri Ram Karpur asking question. Can we ask questions that are greatest mysteries in the world, like the purpose of pyramids and how they are built? I'm very curious about it. Yes, for sure. You can ask all these questions in the Akashic readings, and the kids here will reveal all those details to you. Any secret, you can come here and ask, and you can get all the questions that you're having answered. So you can surely get your Akashic readings revealed, even for all your mysterious questions. Any question, it can be about what should I do to build my career, or I'm stuck in a particular place in my research. What should I do? How will I do the research? Or you're doing a PhD in something. Just tell whatever research you're doing. Just tell what is that you want to go further in that. Come and ask the Akashic reading, they'll reveal it to you. Or you have questions about the great mysteries of the world, you can come and ask. The Akashic reading kids will reveal it to you. Yeah, so I was talking about powers to all of you. Now, different powers, 400 different powers exist in us. And it is revealed in the Agamas. The whole process is revealed in the Agamas. Agamas are like the literally manuals for your whole lifestyle delivered by Lord Shiva to Devi. Now, all these agamas is what is guiding our whole life. We don't follow it nowadays. That is why we are ruining ourselves. We are going too much far from the real source. But when we start following it, when we start sticking to these agamas, we'll see how many beautiful things can start manifesting through us. So, Swamiji is continuously initiating all the Baldasans here into so many different powers that are present, that are revealed in the agamas. Whatever Lord Shiva has revealed, like 400 different powers are there, including like so many different powers. So right now, Swamiji is continuously giving one initiation after initiation, making us manifest them, and continuously moving us forward. Now, what is that exactly that we go through when we are manifesting all these powers, and why do we choose to manifest all these powers? This is a question many people have. They tell, I'm so happy in the way I live. I don't need something from external, like, I don't need anything new. Why do I need powers? What is the use of having powers? I'm happy, I have car, I have best lifestyle, I have everything that I want. In spite of this, why should I have something called as powers? First thing, they don't believe in it. Second thing is, they go on asking such questions, telling, like, because if I have powers right now, I'll be odd in the society, or if I'm expressing powers, first thing, it's not possible for me, and if I'm expressing powers, that's just waste of time. Like, there's so many questions just about these powers. If you have any such question, you can surely ask me. I can answer it to you now. Just post your questions in the comments, and you can get it answered live. So now all these different questions. What is, in spite of having all these questions, why so many people are coming here, getting initiated and expressing so many powers? What is the need for expressing powers when you're already happy, when you have everything in your life, when you're having a car, you have a good relationship, you have everything that you wanted? Then why the question of powers? Why not just goody goody society, and good society you're getting, and good, nice goody house, friends. Everyone is like goody people. Why do we need powers? What is the necessity? Why powers? Understand, in your life, every time you see whatever you may be doing, there is one part in you which is stable. Okay, we have a question from Shriram. Sorry to interrupt here. I'll be answering live questions and I'll continue to be sharing whatever I'm sharing. Shriram is asking why this is not a breaking news in mainstream media. This is being asked by many of my friends. How do I convince them? They think it is too good to be true. Everyone thinks like that. And mainstream media is not allowing him. See, what will happen is Hinduism. What about Hinduism are they promoting in mainstream media? I'm not even asking about promoting. All I'm asking is they even acknowledging this whole thing. It has to be acknowledged. This has to be shared to the world. That is the only reason why Swamiji is continuously coming for everyday satsang, coming and revealing so many truths, making us manifest powers, making us also share our experience, all these different things. Because the world needs to know what is happening here. You know, it's all in our hands that we go and sharing all this. You can share this video anywhere in all your pages. Also share this video, share this page. So so many more people are reached. So many more people are coming to know what kind of thing is happening here. You can start asking all your questions now itself. Any question that you're having regarding first, we will answer. Just make sure you don't ask any personal questions now. And I just want to tell this: all whatever is happening right now in Hinduism, it's not at all getting like acknowledged by the society, because the whole people whomsoever is controlling the media, it's not in Hindus' hands. I don't want to make further statements about this. I just want to tell this very clearly that it's Hindus' responsibility for making sure this is known to the world. It's our responsibility. Please tell about pyramids of Egypt. I think it's better if you ask this in the Akashic readings, because in the Akashic reading it will come along the whole thing, the actual information will come. It will not just be about logic. It will not be about what people know. It will be like what actually happened. So it's best to ask about all these questions in Akashic readings. If you have any question about the powers, ask me. I can answer it to you live. Okay, so I was sharing about these powers. Before answering the question, that's what I was sharing about. Why powers? See, whatever may be happening in your life, whether you are getting something good or again, I have got another question. Alma Lopez. I'm 16 and I would love to join Gurukul. Would it be considered an incompletion to leave school? No. Come on. Alma, you're going to show a new possibility to yourself. I want to share few things with you. What is happening here in Gurukul is awesome. The whole, it's not just a school. If you've ever dreamt of being in a Harry Potter school, don't worry, your dream is going to become reality. Even in Harry Potter school, it's going to just be black magic. Here, the whole thing is a science. And it's not an incompletion. How will it be an incompletion? You're just showing a new possibility for yourself. You're expanding yourself. You're saying yes to life. That there is not incompletion. Hey, I tell you, even I left my school and I came here. Only after coming here, I came to know what life is. I never knew all these spiritual terms. I never spoke about all these ever in my life. Though I was born Hindu, and I was brought up in a Brahmin family, which is supposed to be such a real Hindu family. In spite of all that, I never lived it. But after coming here, see the confidence and see how many things about me I'm coming to know. I never knew I'll be able to speak like this in front of camera, in front of the public. answering live questions. No, I cannot even imagine of all those. So you're most welcome. Come here, and you can come and join Gurukul. Come for this February IA and just join Gurukul. And Teshi is again Teshi. If a person has graduated from high school but is still younger than 21, can they still join Gurukul? Yes. Swamiji told Gurukul is going to be open until 21. So if you are 21 or below 21, you're most welcome to come and join in Gurukul. So you can come here and you can come for this February IA, come experience Swamiji and just come and join yourself in Gurukul. I tell you, Gurukul, the whole lifestyle is fun, 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 and whole life is with powers. You play with powers. People in the outside world, what do they eat? They eat junk food. They eat the mass media, all those junk into their head. They take in all those. But here, what we eat is Shaktis, not some mere stupid low level cognitions. What we play with are Shaktis, powers, spiritual powers. That brings the confidence inside all of us. So that same thing is open to even you now. Alma, you can come here and you can get yourself enrolled in Gurukul. Come for this February IA, get Swamiji's blessings and just come and join Gurukul. Uh, Pay for IA is yes, but joining Gurukul is free. It's open for everyone. It's free. God, I don't know. This only place I think in whole world where the best thing is offered to you, yet it is for free. It's all his Leela. It's all Mahadeva's Leela. Sri Ram, I miss being in Gurukul when I was a kid. Can I join Gurukul that I am 40? You can come as a teacher, so that door is also open for you. So if you're above the age of 21, you can come here as a teacher or something. You can surely get yourself enrolled. You all can send your contact details, just inbox us in the Gurukul page, and you can ask all these questions there also, so that you can get much more personal answers. Sriram, can we expect the Gurukul kids to invent the next greatest things that can help mankind, like running engines on water, etc.? Yes. Swamiji has already revealed that all the new species, actually, we are not anymore evolved beings. We are new species with a new structure of DNA. The very powers that we are expressing, the very powers that we are manifesting, makes even our DNA structure new. So, with a new DNA structure and as new species, we will be able to invent, discover so many things that humanity never knew even existed. It's going to be totally new. What do you mean by running engines on water? Why do we even need water? We'll make it run on sound. We'll make vehicles move with the help of sound. Play, like, make planes move with the help of sound. That's what was happening in Rama's period. All those science is there with us. All that is needed is like all these powers open up. We get the confidence and we start discovering all the things that we already have. So it's yes, I am 100% sure Gurukul is going to do all these things in many more fields, not just the fields that you're telling, like fields including the fields like going to different galaxy, like astrological, astronomical fields, both. Andrew is asking a question. Nityananda, my girlfriend niece is 6 years old. We are from California. Does her mom have to be there in the ashram with her, or can we stay with her? What does she need to join? What does she need to join? um, you can send your contact details to us, just inbox us, and you can get our answers personally to you. So just send your contact details as an inbox message to us in this same page, the Nityananda Gurukul page. You can send us and you can get an answer live. Alma, yeah, same for you also. You can send your contact details, send just as an inbox message, and we'll be able to contact you. Yeah. You're welcome. So all of you whosoever wants to join Gurukul, you all can come here physically for this February and join, and you can inbox your contact details so that we'll be able to help you out, like your WhatsApp number or anything, just a place where you're from, your contact number, and Yeah, that will be quite good. Your name, just your name and your age. Just inbox us in this Nityananda page. Okay, we have a question from Sampath Kumar. Enlightenment means what you think as you is not the real you. Listen, understand deeply, listen deeply. What you think as you, a beautiful person, an intelligent person, a very low person, an idiot, a person who does not have good relationships in life, a person with best relationship with life, all these things are lies. Whatever we are thinking is not the truth. The real self of us is consciousness, the cosmos, Sadashiva, the highest possible space, the ultimate is only the real us. Now, what is blocking us from knowing who we really are? Now, as words I'm telling you, but do you all already have it cognized? No. What ideas that we are having about ourselves are like iron curtains that is blocking us from knowing the real us. It's like the diamond is covered with layers and layers and layers of powder. Just because that whole thing is there, I cannot make a statement that diamond doesn't shine. Same way, just because so many ideas that we are carrying about ourselves, so much is there, I cannot tell that the real us is such low thing and the real us, that ultimate person, does not exist in us. When a master happens in your life and when he removes all this dirt and shows a real diamond to you and tells this is you, that process of where you realize who you are is enlightenment. That whole thing of enlightenment happening where you realize who you are, and for you to be established in that space, you manifesting all these different powers, so that makes you like live and radiate that space of enlightenment. So this is what is enlightenment. You know, knowing the real self, you knowing who you are. We have next question from Sudesh Nair. Once a kid joins Gurukul, what is the maximum years he will be learning there, and after that what will be the next step for him in life? Once your kid joins in Gurukul, until the age of 21, the kid can be here in Gurukul studying. In studies also, we'll finish it much earlier than that. Now with all these powers, different powers, we go on like we just download books into our brain and we study. So there's nothing particularly like the kid has to sit with the books and study, nothing like that. So and after this, if the kid wants to join a further college, anything is open for the kids. There's no restriction at all from Gurukul side. More possibilities are only shown to the kids, so they can choose what they want to do. Form for Akashic reading, Ramesh Gautam. Yes, I'll be sharing the link with you right after this video. I'll be sharing the link with you. Sriram is again asking a question. My wife does not agree to send my daughter to Gurukul. She's extreme skeptic. I feel so bad for my kid. How can I help my daughter? Please come for the Akashic reading. Ask your question in the Akashic reading. And in Akashic reading, the Balasant will reveal the exact solution to you. Kalabera will reveal the exact solution to you. You can ask in Akashic reading and you can get Swamiji's blessings also and somehow make it happen for your kid. Where else will you get such an amazing lifestyle? I ask you one simple question. Have you ever seen a single kid tell so proudly about a school? Especially a 12th grader. And I am a 12th grader. And I study in Nityananda Gurukul. And I'm so proud and so happy to share about that to you. So understand what kind of experience that you go through. So that's very, very, very important that we offer the best lifestyle to the kids, because only when they're kids their whole cognition is newly growing. Only when they're so small, in such a tender age, the whole cognition is being built. At that tender age, when the whole new cognitions are being built, when they're guided by the right master at the right time, the whole life will be a new dimension opening for themselves. They'll live like gods. They'll be real leaders. So best lifestyle is sending them to Gurukul only. And for all these questions that you're having, you can surely ask in the Akashic reading. Kalavera will reveal the best answer to you. Deepak Devarajan, what's the mail address where I can mail my details? As of now, you can inbox us in this Nityananda Gurukul page itself, and we'll attend to it, like all your contact details, so that we can share with you everything in a much more personal way. Sriram is asking for the Akashic reading link. Yes, it will be posted at the end of this video. I'll be posting that link so that all of you can register in this for the Akashic readings and have your Akashic readings reviewed. So you can ask me questions like this, anything about Gurukul you want to know, anything about the Shaktis that you want to know, and I'll be answering to you live like this. And I'll be sharing the Akashic reading link form with all of you at the end of this session, so that all of you can register and have your Akashic readings revealed to you. So about Gurukul, if I had to start, and I don't know where to start it from, because it's whole new dimension that people cannot even imagine of. People cannot even comprehend it about. So I feel Gurukul is the best place. Not I feel, it is the best place. You have to come here, experience it, and see. Okay, Sudhish Nair is asking, Nityanandam, please explain the difference of Balasans and Gurukul kids, or is it the same? It is the same. You come here and we'll tell you many more things about the lifestyle, then you will understand it very clearly. Sonia Shet, please also send me the link for Akashic reading and form for having reading online. Yes, it is the same. It is just one link. You click and register in that, and we'll be sending you Zoom link ID, and you'll be able to have an online session with the Balasans. Ramesh Gautam, who was I in my previous life? In your previous life things, all these previous life questions and all, best is to ask in the Akashic readings, because in the Akashic readings, the kids will be able to reveal all the actually not kids. Kalabhairava will reveal to the kids what exactly you were clearly. They'll be able to see it and reveal it to you. So it's best to ask during Akashic readings. Sriram Karpur, are the Akashic reading going to happen now after this? Right now it's happening here, like behind me. Even online sessions are also happening. You register and you'll be like, so we'll be sending a particular date to you. We'll be sending the particular Zoom ID to you, so that even you also can log in and have your Akashic readings revealed. Right now it's continuously happening behind me. Like you can see, continuously kids are sitting and having the Akashic readings revealed. Okay, so today we come to the conclusion of this Akash reading session. I will come live every day to share further information with all of you and answer all your questions live. Om Purnamada Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavasishyate Om Shanti 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 Hari Om Tatsat Sarvam Sadguru Padukarpanamastu Om Nityanandam. Thank you all for watching my video and joining me live. Every day I'll be coming like this and sharing all these experiences and different secrets of all these powers with all of you. You can ask me questions live and I can get it answered live. Thank you, Nityananda.